Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. You have to have a look at this Vaillant. They go that it's leaking and plus it's making noise and sometimes the central heating doesn't work. So I had a look at it. It's leaking from the diverter valve and the motor on the diverter valve is making noise too. So I'm going to change the diverter valve on it and it's going to sort both issues out. I'll be sharing that with you in this video, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, this video was sponsored by Easy Estate, your local letting agent in Birmingham. As introductory offer, we offer all our landlords free boiler repair cover and a free gas safety certificate. So if you're interested, give us a call now.
Getting ready to go to work and it was just not heating up the water in the
I'll be done now.
Okay, now I was just wondering why the heating would have done that, the central heating.
Your motor's faulty as well, you know.
Oh, okay. And it just kept getting hotter and hotter. So about an hour and a half before you came, I just switched it off completely because the house just was really hot then. It was £69, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, okay. Right, guys, I've sorted the diverter valve on it. It's not leaking anymore. It's not leaking anymore. Right. I had some problems with the washers though. But I'm going to sort it and it's just ticking, it's not leaking. Yeah, that's fine. And the pressure's stable. We tested the hot water out and it's all working good now. Right guys, sorted the diverter valve on there. And this is the part that was leaking on it. The motor was also making noises and I think it was ticking at times. So they would probably just go into central heating. They're gonna hot water for a couple of days. But anyway, it's all sorted now, it's all working. Tested the water out and heating. Right guys, that's sorted, yeah. And no more problems on it. It was leaking and the diverter valve motor was faulty on it. Change the motor, change the diverter valve, the whole thing, and it's all working fine. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Solihull.